Yeah, he hooked me up.
Hey man, hey, appreciate your help.
Yeah,
Appreciate
you already know. Yeah, for sure. It's no big deal, man.
Cause man, I was like, God, man. Here we go.
So I came out to the customers today. They're having a hard time getting this belt on. This is a belt diagram for the 2016 Jeep Compass, the 2.0 liter engine in it. This could be a little bit tricky, but I'll go ahead and show you how I figured out how to read this belt diagram. So right here is going to be the belt tensioner, marked in yellow. Okay, you're going to turn that counterclockwise, which is towards your front seats. As you do that, you'll be able to loosen up the tensioner. Now, what we did, I dropped the belt in to the top right here. So pretty much it looked like the belt was coming in this way to the top of the side of the motor, if you will. So as I dropped it into the top, what I did was, so imagine you got the belt like this. Okay. So as I was down here, I went ahead, got it around these two bottom pulleys, around the tensioner. I wasn't trying to take the tension off of the belt just yet. So as you can see, I wrapped it around the tensioner, and now I'm around this pulley here. Came up, now I'm sitting about right here. Alright, so I left that alone at that point. Now I bring it around my alternator, down this idler pulley, and then I bring this up towards the power steering pump. Now you're not going to be able to get it all the way around at this point. It'll be sitting probably about right here because you have tension on the tensioner. So quick recap, one more time. It's going to be sitting like right there. It come around the tensioner, around the this pulley back here, or idler, over alternator, under this idler pulley, and then right there. Now, as you pull on the tensioner right here, you'll pull it counterclockwise, which would be this way. You pull it counterclockwise, you'll loosen up the tension, but you want to keep your hand on this part of the belt. So as you're loosening up the tension right here, this belt will start to get longer, if you will, in this area. And then you're going to be able to slide it right over there. Boom. And then you'll be locked into place. Easy peasy. And then you'll be looking at your belt, doing this right there. So I hope that kind of helped someone out, because it could be really easy to confuse yourself on these belt diagrams. You'll wonder why it never fits. So make sure y'all like, subscribe. If this video is helpful, let me know in the comments. Show it to your friends. Share. 2016 Jeep Compass. This is a 2.0 liter engine, of course. Remember, you want to check out more of our channel. Plenty of content that's helpful for the everyday person, making you self-sufficient in his life when it comes to mechanics of all kinds.